Diego, also known as Jonah, and this is my son Donoboy. And this is Sophie behind me. And over here we have Miles. And my husband is my cameraman this evening.
And as you saw before, I was over here.
No, sit down.
But now I have to sit over here.
Okay, so today we are going to review the Happy Meal toy, Series 6 of the My Little Pony movie. They also have Transformers right now. I will try to do all the toys if I can. This is the Rarity mask toy from McDonald's Happy Meal.
And
they also have the app where you can download the games for it. We'll get to that in a minute. So here we go. Ready to open it?
Yep.
Okay,
Let's
you go
open
ahead and
this
open
girl.
it.
Well, this one is easy to open.
Well, yeah, that's not a whole bunch of packaging. Let's put everything right here.
Oh, and there's the bow.
This is a little clippy. Okay.
And I'm just going to put it on. I just want to put it on.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's get this undone. Okay, put it on. Look at the camera. Want to try to put the clippy on?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if it will work. You don't have long hair. Alright, here we go. There we go. Oops. Okay. Doesn't obviously work with long hair, but let's try it on my daughter. Hello, Sophia. You want to put a clippy in your hair?
Oh, and in yesterday's video, we had Sophie in here. Well, the video when we did the Hatchimals, Sophie was in here and we showed Miles. Right, Mom?
Okay. Let's try it on me. Let's see if this works. Obviously, it doesn't want to stay on the kids. So let's try this.
But you didn't show Miles.
Miles doesn't have hair.
Does?
There we go.
Miles does have hair.
There we go. So, what do we think of the Rarity stuff from McDonald's?
Good.
Good. And this is the little thing I was telling you about where you can go and scan the toy and go download McPlay and scan your toy and unlock a game.
And
so
right now I am Rarity with the boy form.
We won't get into that.
I have a Batman shirt.
Anyway, thank you very much. We will try to review more toys as soon as possible. Have a pony-tastic day.
After we're done with the video.